Hello everyone, so this is onboarding video for pumila.ph. So once you log in, you will be greeted with this checklist and also this banner. Okay, so you can close this one. So here you need to set up your business name. Okay, so um, let's have a test company, and let's say it is a school. Okay, so let's start um, with a University of Pumila. Okay, and then changing the time zone to Manila. This is for bookings appointment. Then save configuration. So once the configuration was saved, going back to the agent portal, wait, okay, so the setup business name is already checked now. Now next, let's update the department name. So setup. So we have here customer service, and then one service and one counter. So we should rename this department name uh, to fit in your business or your company. So I will change this one into cashier. Okay. Okay, and save. Manage services. So instead of general inquiry, say payment. Okay. So you should indicate how many minutes per transaction. So let's say this transaction is done within 3 minutes per customer. So you can save service. Okay. And then create a counter. So the counter name is, this one will be shown on your business front, or business in your front disk. So for example, you have window 1. So and prefix is, say, cashier. Let's just put letter C. Okay, and then save. So going back to the agent portal, so you have your department name is already updated and your counter name. Next is to generate QR code. So QR codes, these were all the codes for your businesses. So we have your mobile queue. This will be for the so this QR code, you will scan your customer will scan this, and then fill up the form, then they will be joined in the queue. So I'll demonstrate later so on how to use this mobile queue. So take note, you have your expiry on each on this QR. So once you generate, you can have 90 days, 10 years if you don't want to change your QR code. So if somebody is using your QR code abusively, so they will add customers based on your QR code, so you can generate new QR code if this happened. Okay, So you have also here the public kiosk QR code. You can click open. So when you click open, this form your customer will fill up. So you need to put this on your front disk if you want your customer to fill up this form. So you must have a monitor and a keyboard. So for appointment booking, so this will be the public URL for your appointment booking. So University of Pumila. So this will be the date, time, and names. Okay, to if you want to book an appointment for your service, and you have the public display. So public display, this will be what your customers will be seeing inside your office, or it could be in the monitor on your front desk. Okay, so you have your one department cashier. Okay, so you can modify this one to fit your screen. Okay, so the customers will appear here, and then also the what window they have been called. So you can change this from default customers view, okay, or counter. So if you have lots of counter, so this will be the view. Okay, so now if you want to have a quick join, so this is the quick join QR code for your cashier. So your customer don't need to sign up the form. They will just scan this, and they will be given a token. So going back to the agent portal, so refresh. So you already generate your QR code. Configure email notifications. This is much complicated steps. So we'll return to this one. We just skip this one. So this is the SMTP. Although you have a default SMTP configuration, you're using Pumila as the SMTP server. So you can add your own SMTP host, okay, so that it will so that your own business email will be used in sending email in appointments. Okay, so just skip this one. And for SMS notification, okay, we'll have a setup. So this is your SMS. Although you have already a default SMS gateway, we need to use your own SMS gateway, so that if you have lots of users, they will be updated immediately, or notified through SMS immediately, to avoid lag if you are using your own SMS server instead of using the pumila.ph SMS server. Okay, so this is the website, the startonline.ph. I will visit this website to get your API and credentials. So this is I will create a separate video for this SMS gateway. Okay, so we'll just skip the configure SMS. Then let's go setting up your business location. So business location, so you'll type your coordinates, latitude or longitude, or you can just use current location, okay, to fill up this to fill up the business address. Okay, So you don't need to fill up the street address. Just click the use current location, then save settings. It will ask for your, okay, save. So going back to the agent portal. The business location settings is for geofencing. So when you have your customers arrive on certain this business configuration, you'll assign how many meters your customers will receive the notification. So if you just want, say, they should be around, say, 20 meters. So all, sorry. So you can for geofencing configuration, this is for the location-based proximity alert for mobile queue users. So they will be notified once they are in range. Meaning, for example, you want your customers to receive notifications within the range of 100 meters. So you don't want them to go outside or beyond that, very far from that location to receive notification. Then you will set this one to 100 meters. Okay, then save configuration. So going back to the agent portal, you have here set up business location. Now let's test your queue. First queue. Okay. Actually, there are so many ways to add the customers. So first is this queue and appointments. So queue management is for the walk-in, and appointments, of course, for the appointment, for booking appointment. So just write the name of your customer. Then the cell phone number. This is just an example cell phone number. Okay, once the customer is added, you can see that you can also print a receipt. Okay, so you can print this one, or you can save as PDF or email or something. Okay, but for in your case, I think if most of your customers are mostly offline, then you need to have a printer. Okay, so this is the sample token. Now in the agent portal, you will see the customers that you've added, and then your first queue is already finished. Okay, so the checklist does not appear anymore once you completed it, although you skip some of the steps, but it will not pop up again. Okay, so I think that's all for the